Hi everyone, I'm Iris from Lengkeng Technology, a Chinese manufacturer of all kinds of video solution, rAVe products. And here we are at ISE Show 2020. And today I want to introduce you our innovative products, IP color series. Um, Now, on this ISE show, we present two innovative products. First is LKV 676. It's HDMI extender, which transmits 70 meters. It supports HDMI 2.0, HDR, and 4K 60 Hz without latency. And the second one is LKV 676.100. It supports 100 meter transmission. It also supports HDMI 2.0, HDR, 4K 60 Hz. The third is LKV 676 KVM. It is also HDMI 2.0 extender with 4K, 2K at 60 Hz. It supports um, uncompressed video, and the latency is zero. It supports KVM keyboard and mouse to control the input source. The last one is our industrial matrix. We have two versions now. One is 1080p, the other is 4K. It's very suitable for some system integration and installation and professional industrial installation. Thank you. Welcome to us. We are Lengkeng. Our website is www.lenkeng.com.